for your call.
Accutemp, heating and cooling. Accutemp, AccuTempAir.com.
There goes.
We interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert. Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert.
Oh, I forgot.
The Clarkston Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a gray 2007 Volkswagen Jetta, Georgia tag RBD 6200. On June 11, Noah Singleton, a 6-month-old black male, was abducted by Emmanuel Singleton, a 24-year-old black male, and was last seen on Highway 78 headed east, and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Noah Singleton or the gray 2007 Volkswagen Jetta, Georgia tag RVD 6200, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and the CSend app for the iPhone and Android users.
I hope Noah gets found.
Country.
101.5